Welcome to One English. Let's learn about opposite adjectives.
Happy, sad. She feels happy on her birthday. He looked sad after the game. Fast, slow. The car is incredibly fast. The internet connection is very slow today. Quick, slow. The service was quick and efficient. The response was slow and delayed. Hard, soft. The rock is hard and solid. The pillow is soft and comfortable. Easy, difficult. The puzzle was easy to solve. This math problem is very difficult. Strong, weak. He is a strong and muscular athlete. After the illness, she felt weak. Heavy, light. This box is too heavy to lift. The feather is very light. Light, dark. She prefers light colors in her living room. The room became dark when the sun set. Clean, dirty. The kitchen is clean after we washed the dishes. The car is dirty from the muddy road. Tidy, messy. His room is always tidy and organized. Her desk is messy and cluttered. Rich, poor. The rich man donated to charity. The poor man needed help. Early, late. She likes to wake up early in the morning. They arrived late to the party. Young, old. The young child is learning to walk. The old man shared his wisdom. New, old. He bought a new phone yesterday. She found an old book in the attic. Big, small. They bought a big house in the suburbs. She has a small dog that fits in her bag. Tall, short. The basketball player is very tall. She is shorter than her friends. Long, short. His hair is long and flowing. Her hair is short and stylish. High, low. The mountain is very high. The valley is low and green. Full, empty. The bottle is full before the party. The stadium was empty after the game. Loud, quiet. The music was too loud. The library is a quiet place. Noisy, quiet. The construction site is very noisy. The countryside is quiet and peaceful.
quick, fast. The words quick and fast are often used interchangeably and have very similar meanings, but there are some subtle differences in their usage. Quick indicates something that happens in a short period of time. It focuses more on how quickly something is done. Example: she made a quick decision. Let's have a quick meeting. Fast is more common when talking about physical speed. It focuses more on the speed of movement or how fast something is. Example: the train is very fast. She is a fast runner. Big, tall. The words big and tall are used to describe dimensions, but they refer to different aspects of size. Big refers to overall size, including width, height, depth, and volume. It can be applied in many different contexts. Example: that is a big elephant. This is a big problem. Tall refers specifically to height, the vertical dimension of something. Example: she is tall. That is a tall building. Loud, noisy. The words loud and noisy are used to describe sounds, but they have slightly different meanings and uses. Loud used to describe any sound that is high in volume, without necessarily implying that the sound is undesirable or disturbing. Example: he has a loud voice. The alarm was loud enough to wake everyone. Noisy describes an environment or situation with many loud and chaotic sounds, generally considered disturbing or unpleasant. Example: the street outside is very noisy. The restaurant was too noisy to have a conversation.